Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tom Keene with Paul Sweeney and Bloomberg's Melissa Mateo here since 3 a.m. getting ready for Stock Movers. What do you have?
All right, let's start with video game maker Electronic Arts. It's ticker EA. Their shares have been up as much as 5%. So the main thing is they agreed to sell to a group of private investors, right? A deal values a company at $55 billion, wow. The largest leverage buyout on record. So this is big news. Who does the group include? We got Silver Lake Management, Saudi Arabia's public investment fund, Jared Kushner's Affinity Partners. They're going to pay $210 per share in cash for the company. So that represents a 25% premium to where its shares traded before the talks even leaked on Friday. $20 billion in debt financing from JP Morgan Chase. So what's going on, right? So video game sales, they've soared during the pandemic, became huge. People were on lockdown. They needed to do something. So they went to video games, but it's been slowing down ever since then. The company had a number of layoffs. There's been a lot of consolidation too. EA is actually one of the world's largest independent video game publishers. You have, Activision Blizzard. They make the Call of Duty games. They were acquired by Microsoft 2 years ago. So what going private will do, they won't have to deal with the quarterly earnings, investor demands, and they have this big draw in sports that private equity firms really like. And they're gearing up for Battlefield 6, October 10th. My son already texted me.
Oh, really? Oh, great. Thank you for listening, son Mateo. If you model in $210 per share going back 10 years, Paul, it's 14.7% per year.
Yep. Silver Lake, a big player in the tech space. So that's a good name there. What else you got?
All right. So now we go to Tilray Brands. It's ticker TLRY. Their shares have been up at 16%. Weed, yes, that's what we're talking about. Cannabis. President Donald Trump, this is the reason why. Okay, so he posted
cannabis?
He posted a video on social media over the weekend. It praised the medical benefits of hemp-derived CBD for seniors. So he's saying it's good for seniors. He suggested covering CBD under Medicare would be the most important senior health initiative in the century. He posted a video along with a clip from Fox News. It talked about the economic benefits of medical marijuana legalization. It also said, and this was pretty interesting, that on an annual basis it could amount to cost savings of $64 billion a year if cannabis is fully integrated into the healthcare system.
This is TLRY.
Yes, Tilray Brands.
20 to 140.
Okay.
Down, and over the last 4 years, it's gone down to Canadian dollar per share.
Gummies. It's all about the gummies.
It's about the gummies.
Yep.
But it's sparking other weed stocks, Kronos, Canopy Growth, if you want to check out those too. Okay.
Is that a Dow component? Next.
I think so. Occidental Petroleum. Okay, here we go. Ticker OXY. Their shares have been up about 1.5%. The reason behind this, it's a Financial Times report. They're saying that the company is in talks to sell its OxyChem petrochemical unit in a deal worth at least $10 billion. So the Financial Times is saying it's going to create one of the world's largest standalone petrochemical companies. Occidental, backed by Warren Buffett, it's been kind of divesting assets in an effort to reduce debt. So it has that tie to it too. But those shares here gaining about 1.5%. And since we have a few more minutes, I just want to sneak in one more. This is Dutch drug maker MRUS. Their shares have been up 37%, as much as 37%. Danish biotechnology company Genmab. So they want to buy the company for $8 billion. MRUS developing this treatment for cancer for the head and neck. So we have some possible merger.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.